Today we are going to make a beautiful. It's a very simple drink with 2 ingredients. The first ingredient that you're going to need for this drink is cognac. I am using Hennessey. And the second ingredient that you're going to need is Grand Marnier. There's only 2 things that you're going to need to make this drink. A jigger. And we're going to put this in a snifter glass like this. First step is this. What you're going to do is you're going to take the cognac and you will be pouring 1 ounce. Second step is this. You will be taking the Grand Marnier and you will be pouring 1 ounce here. To enjoy this drink, I would recommend holding the glass like this to keep it warm. And there you go, a beautiful. Cheers. If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.